If your Amazon is your side hustle, this is for you. Even if you're doing part-time sales, weekend flipping, or just getting started, you still need protection. And basic general liability coverage can do a lot more than you think. General liability coverage protect you if something goes wrong with a product you sell, like it causes damage or someone gets hurt and files a claim. It can also help if someone accuses you of things like slander or copyright issues related to your store. What I like about Next Insurance is it's fast, affordable, and tailored for sellers like us, even if you're not full-time yet. You can get a quote in under 10 minutes and the policy includes Amazon compliant coverage. Don't wait for Amazon to force it. Protect your store from day one. Use the link in the description to get your quote from Next Insurance. It's simple peace of mind for your Amazon side hustle.